Okay, quick video here to go over AccuWare's integration to Acumatica. As you can see here, we support at this point items, purchase orders, and sales orders. Wanted to just specifically show you sales orders in this video. So basically, to print, all you got to do is put your sales order number into the search box here, and we pull up your sales order, and fully pulls in here. And if you've got your label already designed, basically all you have to do is just press the button and we'll produce, in this case, when I press one each, we produce one label for each item with the quantity for that item on there. And we can do information from the header or from, the description and the part number or the order number. So we can do the header or the line items information. Or you can use, print the order quantity to do, 10 of the first item and 35 of the second item. So this, you just get 10 of the first item here, and then 35 of the second item shown there. So what I just showed you is the workflow that you would use to print over and over and over again. At the beginning, you open up and you create a label design. In this case, we would just show you that you can drag out any of these data sources, and for sales orders, these are all the data sources we already support, but we can support more data sources if you need us to get into more details with that. So, but basically all you do is you just drag these data sources onto your label and it becomes live, so it's pulling the data off the order. You can add logos, you can add static information as well, images, shapes, things like that. So basically you just create your label design, and then you go back into the printing environment to just print that. This is the label I was just showing you, and just call up your order as I showed you earlier and just print away. So you create the label ahead of time, and then you just grab the label design. Whoops, got to do sales orders. Yeah, grab the sales order and print it. So if you have any further questions about our integration to Acumatica, please give us a call. We'll have information in the description below the video. Thanks.